Hey there, it's Emily from WTI. I'm going to introduce you to the wellness hack you never knew about. Let me introduce you to Shilajit. This Shilajit from BetterAlt is pure Himalayan Shilajit. Now, you're probably asking, what in the world is Shilajit? Well, you came across this Amazon posting, so perhaps you already know, but this was new to my husband and I. We are always on the hunt for amazing supplements to biohack and bio-optimize our health. And when we were doing some research, we came across the amazing benefits of the all-natural resin Shilajit. Now, this is harvested from the Himalayas. It is excreted from the mountains, and it is essentially a resin full of fulvic acid. And this is a mineral that is extremely difficult to get in any other form. Now, why are you interested in taking Atari resin with fulvic acid? Well, honestly, the benefits are endless. I'm not gonna lie, this does not have the most appealing taste. For the bold and the brave, you can just put a tiny one of these little copper spoons that are included under the tongue or in a mug of warm water. You can also conceal the taste in tea or coffee or another warm beverage. Is it worth it? Well, this compound in particular came up during research that my husband has been doing to support mood, attention, and focus. My husband has been trying 1 spoonful of this in a cup of warm water every morning before he eats or drinks, and he is really seeing support in the area of mood and focus without some of the more traditional methods that he has used in the past. And so I'm really excited to add this to our wellness routine every day. If you're someone really interested in bio-optimization and biohacking, I think this is definitely worth a try. But that's just my point of view.